house. And his room is a state. He's allowed his face in his videos. Munch it. So today we're going to scare his sister, Banana Bird. Don't subscribe. Unsubscribe if you're already subscribed. Do you want more subscribers?
Yeah. I look. Wait, where's the? Okay.
You look like a dying corpses. Da da da. Wait a minute. You should go do this. Wee! You should do this to hit them. This is the weirdest thing ever, guys. Oh, that's what it does. It's too small. Anyway, right, let's go. What are you going to scare it with? You need something to scare her. Oh, you can't film me because
Not London.
right. Chuck this on her. Oh, I know what to do. Oh no, it's my face in now. I'll go scare her. No, by putting this over my face. No, I'll go put this over my face. Go. I'll go. Right, no, you have to read.